When it comes to your hearing, confidence in care matters. At Hearing First Ashford, we're proud to say that our procedures have a 99.8% success rate, and that number represents thousands of patients helped safely and effectively. But what does a success rate like this actually mean? It means patients experience clear improvement after treatment. It means procedures are carried out safely, comfortably, and professionally. And it means our approach prioritizes assessment before action. Our audiologists begin every appointment with a full ear examination. This ensures that earwax removal is appropriate and that symptoms aren't caused by something else. When removal is needed, microsuction is used, a controlled, precise method that avoids water pressure and reduces risk. High success rates also come from education. Patients are guided on aftercare, prevention, and when to return, helping reduce recurring blockages. Unlike outdated syringing methods or home attempts, professional microsuction under direct vision leads to better outcomes and fewer complications. A 99.8% success rate reflects training, experience, and a patient-first approach. And at Hearing First Ashford, that's exactly what we deliver.